I'm Parul. I'm a parent, and I wanted to actually, just share my experience regarding Delhi college admissions, because right now it's the phase where all the students who have passed out of 12th, concerned parents, they're just running around for college admissions. So I just thought that I will just sit back and just, try and analyze that when I was in 12th and I had just passed out of 12th, how was it like, when I was 18. So at that time, I recall that, for me, college was more important than actually the course that I was doing. I was going for the brand. So I decided to just, without even thinking, I just decided to go in for economics in Xavier's because I wanted to be in Xavier's. Now, when I look back as a parent, I feel that I had not done the right thing because I eventually did my, higher studies in marketing, and then I pursued my career in marketing. And so those entire 3 years after 12th, where I did economics, was a waste of time because I could have actually utilized that time to do probably a BBA if there was a BBA at that time. I really don't remember, but I think now it's there. So, I would recommend that, all parents and students who have just given their 12th should look at job oriented courses, vocational courses, because this is what would actually, help you after your graduation. Because, in today's times, skills are more important than degrees. Let's face it, you can easily get a degree these days. Getting a degree does not give you a job, but skills will help you, in the workplace. So try and go in for job oriented courses, because that will help you to move ahead in your career at an earlier age. So that's it. I just wanted to share my experience. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and all the best.